If you're like me and you've been playing around with AI, specifically Kling AI, and you're a paid subscriber, and you want to see when your credits will expire for the month and when they'll renew for the next month, but you can't figure out how to do it. I had a hard time figuring it out myself, and I eventually did, and I'm on the desktop version of Kling, not the app. I'm not sure if this is possible on the app. I've only tried on the desktop. So here is how you figure it out on the desktop. I'm on the homepage now after I've signed in, and I'm going to go down along the left-hand menu here to this section right here. And initially I hit the credits portion of this section, but that wasn't right. What I needed to do is hit my subscription type. So I'm a pro subscriber. You may be a standard or premium or whatever the other options are. And I suspect that it will say those right there where mine says pro if you're not the same as me. But if you click that, you will get this menu here. And this is your account information. So here I have my pro subscription, and I can see my renewal date right there. And I can also see how many credits I have left and how many credits I will lose on that date. So I need to make the most of my credits. I need to use all 1,460 of them by September 10th. And I can look forward to getting some new credits on September 10th as well. So this is important if you want to make the most of what you have. And I hope that you guys found this helpful. I certainly spent way too long on this, so I hope that you guys don't have to do the same. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another one.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.